everyone. Let's start the quiz. Group round first, rapid fire. What is the meaning of dirty? What is the meaning of wash? What is the meaning of read? What is the meaning of give? What is the meaning of use? What is the meaning of help? What is the meaning of thank you? What is the meaning of eat? What is the meaning of sorry? What is the meaning of festival? What is the meaning of happy? What is the meaning of close? What is the meaning of cool?
7.
Is the meaning of go? What is the meaning of in? What is the meaning of watermelon? What is the meaning of teeth? What is the meaning of work? What is the meaning of complete? What is the meaning of daily? What is the meaning of welcome?
वेलकम कल तो बताया
Very good.
What is the meaning of wet? What is the meaning of dry? What is the meaning of morning? What is the meaning of sneeze? Is the meaning of big? Again, is the meaning of down? What is the meaning of left?
Very good, Leon.
What is the meaning of lost? Very good. What is the meaning of sunlight? What is the meaning of rain?
Adi.
What is the meaning of thin? Thin.
Very good, Shivam.
Next. What is the meaning of heavy? चल को पुश करना पड़ता है. What is the meaning of sit? B team, A team. What is the meaning of laugh? Very good, Adi. What is the meaning of run? What is the meaning of trees? What is the meaning of night?
Adi.
What is the meaning of wall? What is the meaning of papaya? What is the meaning of clock?
Naman.
What is the meaning of carrot? What is the meaning of carrot?
Naman. Next.
What is the meaning of shop? What is the meaning of grass? Next. What is the meaning of cap? What is the meaning of rice? What is the meaning of flag? What is the meaning of umbrella?
Saksam. नहीं.
Round 1 is over. We will announce the winner in 2 minutes.
Students, the winner of round 1 are as team A, Adi, 15 points, Naman 9 points, and team B, Shivam 12 points, and Dhanika 9 points. Clapping. These are the prizes of participation round 1.
Clapping. चलते जाओ. Go.
Now we will start round 2 eliminator round. Team A, team B. Listen carefully. What the meaning of spoon? What is the meaning of parrot? What is the meaning of chair? What is the meaning of wire? is the meaning of dance? What is the meaning of thick?
Adi.
What is the meaning of beautiful? What is the meaning of think? What is the meaning of sink? What is the meaning of strong? What is the meaning of give? What is the meaning of empty? What is the meaning of nails? What is the meaning of bath? What is the meaning of lazy? Lazy. What is the meaning of pull? What is the meaning of difficult? What is the meaning of bring? Bring. What is the meaning of spin?
Naman.
What is the meaning of climb?
Adi.
What is the meaning of pear?
Naman.
What is the meaning of window? What is the meaning of evening? What is the meaning of drink? What is the meaning of learn? What is the meaning of share?
So,
What is the meaning of help? What is the meaning of wake? Wake. What is the meaning of wake? Wake. Anyone from audience? What is the meaning of wake? What is the meaning of hot? What is the meaning of out? What is the meaning of finish? What is the meaning of cup? What is the meaning of find?
Naman.
What is the meaning of weather? What is the meaning of cucumber? What is the meaning of light? What is the breakfast. Our second round is over. We will tell the winner in 2 minutes.
Thank you.
Now it's audience turn. Listen carefully. What is the meaning of house? What is the meaning of wind? What is the meaning of sit?
आओ भी वरदान लो योर प्राइज नेक्स्ट
What is the meaning of rice?
लो भाई नमन योर प्राइज से थैंक यू नेक्स्ट
What is the meaning of cap? What is the meaning of go?
आरसी लो टेक योर प्राइज क्लैपिंग फॉर आरसी
Students, the winner of round second are Team A, Adi.
स्टैंड अप
Stand up. Team B, Shivam. Clapping for. Prizes of the participant round 2. Kanika.
क्लैपिंग
Clapping. Naman.
वेरी गुड
Now we will start next round. Best versus best. Round 3. Final round. Let's start. What is the meaning of plants? What is the meaning of floor? What is the meaning of shopkeeper? What is the meaning of hand? Hand. What is the meaning of thin? What is the meaning of neck? What is the meaning of ugly? What is the meaning of float?
वेरी गुड आदि
What is the meaning of living? What is the meaning of living? What is the meaning of week? Week. What is the meaning of full? What is the meaning of hard working? What is the meaning of push? What is the meaning of cell. What is the meaning of cell? What is the meaning of take away?
Very good, Shivam.
What is the meaning of come? What is the meaning of ride? What is the meaning of noon? Adi. What is the meaning of air? What is the meaning of drop? Drop. What is the meaning of heavy? What is the meaning of what? What is the meaning of lemon? What is the meaning of fog? Fog. Very good.
जोर से बोला कर भाई आदि. Speak loud.
What is the meaning of shoulders? What is the meaning of night?
Right.
What is the meaning of right?
Left, right, right.
Left, right, right. What is the meaning of take? What is the meaning of buy? What is the meaning of right? What is the meaning of pick up? Very good, Adi. Our round is over. We will announce the winner in 2 minutes. Thank you.
Yes, students. The winners of final rounds are, first position is Shivam.
Clappings for Shivam. Very good. He won almost in all the rounds. Very good. Good job, Shivam. And the prize for Shivam is a filled geometry box.
Very good. Shivam.
Very good.
Clapping for Shivam. Our second winner is Adi. Clapping for Adi.